Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Located in Mayfair Avenue, Kingston, is a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house built by the owner to last for generations. Solid construction with functionality and class, fit for the most discerning clientele. Ground floor features 2-car covered garage, pantry, open concept kitchen, formal dining room, 2 sitting rooms, covered veranda, and grand entryway. Upstairs, you have 2 sizable bedrooms with a sheer full bath. Upstairs, you also have a primary bedroom with a grand ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet. Primary bedroom also has a balcony with the most amazing city view. There is also a basement library attached to the main house. And there is also 3 semi-detached studio apartments with individual private entries. There is also 3 semi-detached studio apartments with individual private entries. Home is being sold with an adjoining lot, which combined with the house lot gives one a total land space of just over an acre or 45,650 square feet of tropical, manicured, fruited, botanical garden setting. Property also has great development potential based on acreage and amazing city views. Other features includes porcelain tiling, garden area, water tank, water heater, fully fenced, fully walled, guest house, and easy access to amenities. The asking price for this house is US 665,000 or Jamaican $103.4 million. Now, let's take a look at this gem and please remember, leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.